Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Mexico Stock Market Index. And I'm going to take a look at this period here at the lows of 09 and here where we are trading. So let's go to the lows of 09. Just want to show you a couple of things here of interest. So we have the RSI and the MACD here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line right there at about 38.2. And what we see here is uniform activity below 38.2 and back above it, which gave us the lows of early 09. The market recovered. Take a look at this on the MACD. You have uniform activity. In fact, you can split this in two to see how uniform this is. You got equal space on this side and also equal space on this side. Uniform activity below zero, back above it, means that the re-entry is good for a reversal. So that was a good entry in 09. And we can see that the default MACD on the main MACD also has uniform activity below zero, back above it. So you can also see that this is uniform action. The dark line is, you can split this in two to see that it is well formed uniform activity with equal space on this side and this side. So we can see that the RSIs and the MACDs were showing uniform activity when moving below 38.2 on the monthly, and we can see that both MACDs did display uniform activity off the lows of 09. And of course, after that, you can see that this here was the re-entries of the MACDs and the RSIs confirming uniform activity, and we had this opportunity to move higher. Now let's take a look at the current market environment and draw you a couple of lines. And we got the first line, which is a top side resistance. If you take the RSI highs, going back to the highs of 07, connecting to the highs of early 2013, the highs of 2014, and here in late 2016, and now looks like the market is starting to show that it is respecting that line, suggesting if this stands down for the month, right now it is only up about 0.24%, but if it turns negative for the month, chances are this is confirming resistance and suggesting also that the next major trade and direction is going to be down as far as the Mexican market is concerned. So that's one line. Let's take a look at another aspect here, and what we see here is the market's been making an improvement to new monthly highs there. So we see an improvement month to month to new all-time highs, but this has come at the expense of the RSI, which has been making lower highs. That negative divergence sets the stage for a pullback. Keep in mind, we are seeing the most recent monthly closing high with the market struggling to hold that level about 61.8. As I discussed in my previous video, when markets and instruments make new highs but the RSI fails to move above 61.8, that tends to be the worst type of negative divergence, suggesting that a change in direction is imminent. This seems to be the case. Let me share with you one more line, which is the break of the line coming off the 2013 highs. If you draw a line here, we broke down there, and we can draw a line from there. You can see that the market's been unable to move above this line since then. And right now, we are still coming back to this level as of mid-March, mid-April 2017. Seemingly here, we are going to show resistance, suggesting again that net-net, this market and most world markets are poised for a major correction, if not an outright bear market situation. Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings.